You grab your hands.
Okubuuzibwa okwasinya yakanani kutandikanya enchakare n'ekibuuzo kya briefing kandi okubanza kutandikya omu butongore.
There are students who end up performing poorly in school even when they are smart, even when their intelligence quotient is high. Why? Because of fear. Fear. And when in Bashaba, do not fear.
Omureberezi w'obureberezi bwa WestNehinda, Right Reverend Johnson Twinomujuni, yahereza abeegi obukoryo obw'okuhika ebibuuzo.
Your handwriting may betray you. Examina nakwata urupapuro mu inebu nareba urupapuro rwarangira tungura iryatendekera umuntu kandi ubu bundo in points. Write well, make sure that your handwriting can be read.
Reaching this day and you are dedicated, we cannot take that one for granted again. It is very big, it is a blessing.
I am reminded of Hebrews chapter 13 verse 5. I will never leave you alone. Tindi kusigaho kandi tindi kureka wenga. This is what you should take up. Candidates, where are you? Where are you candidates? Where are the candidates? Senior 4s, senior 6s. This is God's assurance. As He has been in the past, in this school, we have seen the results. As He has been doing, He is a sovereign God.
Bakuru b'ishomero rya +2 high school Bushenyi bahamza abazire ngo abeegi babatendekere kiri kumara okubata Kamwenge amatama.
The good news that we are yet to receive itwenkishomero nka staff nka administrative management, we are hopeful that these ones, they are going to foster excellence in academics this time around.
All candidates, just be confident, just be focused, you will make it. We are on our knees for you and you will make it. We are very confident.
Nabwanyuma omureberezi yahasirira abebembezi b'abeegi abahereze kutoranwa kandi batere biragano.
We are good examples of our students in matters of discipline.
Was our dedication, and it was all successful because of the encouragement that were given by our bishop, who encouraged us, and we are hoping to excel highly.
We are very grateful for he has come, and majorly because that is what we are waiting for generally. We are very ready for doing it. We are very ready to do it, and we are really hoping for the best.
Ishomero rya +2 high school normo mashomera garukora kurunje mu ihanga ryona no kugunjura emico mbeegi otebirwa no kushohoza abantu bo mugasho kandi omwejero kusinga abandi natwara miliyoni emwe nk'ekihembo.
Our theme this year kubarebere byabireho bagira ngo abwachi tutakwata ngumake emwe burire kahi hije ya 20 years abana banabona kukora 19 mbwena aba bagira ngo for them they are going to foster for excellence. Abasigara muterere kandi it's very jovenga.
The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit be upon these your children.
Gasha kwa Michael atwachiri.